I may be able to speak the languages of human beings and even angels, but if I have no love, my speech is no more than a noisy gong or a clanging bell. I may have the gift of inspired preaching, I may have all knowledge and understand all secrets, I may have all the faith needed to move mountains. If I have no love, I am nothing. I may give away everything I have and even give up my body to be burnt, but if I have no love, this does me no good. Love is patient, love is kind. It is not jealous or conceited or proud. Love is not ill-mannered or selfish or irritable. Love does not keep a record of wrongs. Love is not happy with evil, but is happy with the truth. Love never gives up, and its faith, hope, and patience never fail. These three things remain: faith, hope, and love, and the greatest of these is love.
Poor little soul, we were never here. My, 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 my. Staring at the sink of blood and crushed veneer.
Greetings, family and friends of Shashi and Brian. My name is Stuart, and it is my sincere pleasure to welcome you all here to share in their happiness on this day. Shashi and Brian would like to thank each of you for coming all the way to beautiful Koh Samui to be here in show of support for their new life they're starting together. It means so much to them to have you all here today. And for those who could not be here, Shashi and Brian would like you to know that you're always in their hearts, no matter where you are.
I, Shashi, take you, Brian, to be my husband, my partner, friend, and my love. I will cherish and love you more each day than the day before. I vow to maintain our bond of honesty, respect, and trust in hopes that it withstands the tides of time and change and grows as we grow old together. I vow to honour you for all that you are now and all that you will become, taking pride in who we are, both separately and together.
I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind, and now all your love is wasted.
I, Brian, take you, Shashi, to be my wife, my partner in life, and my one true love. I will cherish you and love you more each day than I did before. I will trust you and respect you, laugh with you and cry with you, loving you through good times and bad, regardless of the challenges we face together. I will listen to you and not just try to solve all of your problems. I will do all that I can for you to achieve your hopes and dreams, whatever they are and wherever they may take us. I will make sure that we have a house full of pets, spoiling them with premium dog food and clothing them throughout the colder months. And I will try my best to make you laugh and smile every day. I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward for as long as we both shall live.
5 years ago, on one of our first dates, you wrote me a post-it note. In that note, you wrote 4 dot points of what you wanted 5 years from that day. I vow to help you with the things in that note, including helping you achieve a head of hair with minimal greys, helping to make sure you don't have a pot belly, helping you remain close to your immediate family, and building a family of your own. I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward, as long as we both shall live.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Brian and Shashi Silva.